Hi, my name is Danny Park, and this is my quiz 2 for Computer Science 110. This might look a little different. I'm using PyCharm instead of Shell. I just like PyCharm better because it has more colors and it's more fun to look at. But other than that, they're pretty much the same from what I can tell. So yeah, I hope that's okay. Moving forward, the first prompt was to create a code that found all the even numbers within this range for 104 to 518 and calculate the sum of all those even numbers together and print it out. So what I did, I created a for loop for n in range 104 to 518, and then to find all the even numbers within that range, I made it so that if n is divisible by 2 without leaving any remainders, it's counted as an even number. And if it is counted as an even number, I put into this so that every time an even number comes out of the loop, it's added to the sum, and it continues to add even numbers into this sum until it reaches 518, which is this 64,170. So that's the sum of this for loop. So the second prompt for this quiz was to create 4 input functions to get 4 different numbers from the user and find the cubes of all those 4 numbers and add those cubes together to find the total. So I did this by making 4 different input functions and then manually multiplying them by themselves 3 times to find the cube. And once I found the cubes of them, I added all of them together, which the total came out to 5. You know, that's a big number. Yeah, this number. But if I wasn't too sure about this number or if it was correct or not, I could use my work check variable. So basically how I checked the work was that I got the cube sum of everything, and then I subtracted the the second, third, and fourth number cubed and took that away from the cube sum, which it should leave only the first number cubed. And then I got the first number cubed and subtracted the first number squared from it, or divided it, I mean. And so doing this, it should give the first inputted number back to me, which is 6. I can probably try a different number just to show that it works or not. So let me just do that. Okay, so just picking random numbers, 4, 9, 11, and 20. So using my work check function, it should come out to 4. And so yeah, it's 4, and it should be correct, you know. But that's it. Thank you for watching, and thank you for grading.